Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey, what's up, buddy? I haven't uploaded any type of video for a long time. So today I have a chance where I can share something with you as well as I can create a memory. Actually, I'm going to buy a phone for my younger brother. As you can see, they are with me at this time. Actually, we will buy the Realme C75 phone. At this time, it's really very popular phone in this market. So first of all, I have to go the store. So let's go and see. Actually, this is the very place from where we will be able to buy the phone. As you can see, this is the store of Realme, and it's in Sodor Road, Patuakhali. আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভাই, ভিডিও করা যাবে? ভিডিও করা যাবে? থ্যাংক ইউ। ভালো আছেন না? The very place from where we will be able to buy this phone. As you can see, it's Realme store. So you can see there are a lot of different type of model phone, but we will try to buy the phone. Actually, uh, where is the phone? By Realme C75. This is the very phone. Actually, at this time, it's really very famous phone in this market.
It's called national phone.
Yeah, my brother informed me that it's called national phone. Yeah, it's right. Actually, most of the people try to buy this phone. Actually, it's half size because this phone provides a lot of different type of facilities, like it's waterproof with low budget, as well as you can use this phone any type of way what you want. So let's see. So it's time to unboxing. So at this time, my brother is going to unboxing this phone. This is the very phone. Look at the phone. It's really very gorgeous, as you can see. So already I have unboxed the phone. So at this time we have to check the phone. Is it waterproof or not? So now my brother going to roll the phone under the water. As you can see, at this time it is still under the water, and as you can see, it's still working. Actually, I know everything about the phone. It's waterproof. So that's why I always try to say it's a really very incredible phone. So if you want, you can buy such a phone. It's really famous phone at this time, and so this phone provide lot of different type of facilities. Like as you can see, it's IP69 Ultra dust and water resistance, ultra damage proof. As you can see, 6000 mAh massive battery. Everything is available here, and everything is incredible. So it's time to see is it working or not. Actually, as you can see, it's working here. I can see everything is well. So if you want, you can check your phone in water and it's working. So there is no need to be worried. It is still working. So already we bought the camera, so it's time to go home. So I'd like to know something. What's your feeling after buying the phone? Actually, I know he's really very happy to buy the phone.